If your roof lantern is letting in too much glare or heat, you're definitely not alone. It's one of the most common problems we see in modern kitchen extensions and open-plan spaces. In this video, we're showcasing our twin manual Honeycomb OpenView roof lantern blinds, installed in a real UK home, finished in anti-glare mid-grey fabric with a clean white frame. These made-to-measure roof lantern blinds are specifically designed to reduce glare, control heat, and improve overall comfort, while still allowing natural light to filter through your space. The manual system is simple, smooth, and very DIY-friendly, operated with a pole, making it a great cost-effective alternative to electric roof lantern blinds. Whether you're dealing with harsh sunlight, overheating, or just want a more usable space, these Honeycomb roof lantern blinds are a smart, practical solution that looks great too. If you're considering roof lantern blinds for your home, you can get an instant price using the link below. It takes about 30 seconds and there's no obligation.